about officials mag chama ka adonjore nomination. Gimara wacho na king'iyo article 38 mar katiba marwa talk about free and fair elections, even on political parties. Ok mana national kende. To nitie gima waluongo ga ni not being a judge in your own cause. Something ma create no presumption of bias. Ka iyuari gi ng'ato to dhi koro mondo thegu tiyudo ka judge en babagi. He may be the fairest man on earth. To in kidhi kacha to ni ma ingeno babawa, lakini babawa ni jaratiroga. Oboro amua gini kaluwore gi chik. Ibro yie kosi ibro tamori. Ibro fail. There will be a priest. There's some bias. You'll feel it may be fair. It may even give a very fair decision. But ibro feel, there could be an element of bias. Let's not, while we create an opportunity tomorrow, imagine there could have been bias. Samuro gik moko notimre maber. Samuro ngani ne yumba yogi makata koko konye. Lakini kwa create an element mangato feel ni there must have been bias. It may even be not true. Lakini kakane otimre. Kora paroni, these are ODM should take this as lessons. Ni we get to a situation where it looks Nitenga was being favored. Samuro ngani do yumba jogi. But kwa kete makoro ngani kaka nesa to maklwete. Kaka luma wuyo ni konye na guru ngani. Kaka ngani wuyo ni konye na guru ngani. And then it looks like ni jomoko gete are abandoned. Yeah, I think in the spirit of a free and fair elections and our constitution and the ODM constitution, apparently Beni, why ensure there's that fairness for all participating parties.
Anoka mheshimiwa Chinjera Nyero kapo kwa dhie yueyo wano kidakare yo mondwa dhie yueyo mheshimiwa
inyo Joyce jewaga unge uwe kabisa kendo sami wacha madhika ngato tipango kabisa wangisi mheshimiwa Ken Bwino semanyokura tokonya luwondi